Fluoride has been a hot topic in Cairns since it was removed from our taps in 2013. Now, more than a decade later, doctors are seeing the implications of that decision.
The fluoridation issue is really important to us as doctors because we see the end effects and the suffering and the poor health that comes from poor dental health.
Yesterday's Ordinary Council meeting heard from 3 medical professionals advocating for it to come back. The gallery was packed with more than 70 locals, both for and against it.
No, definitely not. Keep it out.
It is a poison. They used to use it for in manufacturing and stuff like that. It's a waste product.
Well, people don't want to drink it if it's not filtered.
Division 5 councillor Rob Pyne wanted to move a motion to hold workshops to further educate councillors on the positive effects of fluoride. He only had the support of Mayor Amy Eden and Councillor Anna Middleton.
Well, I thought the way for this council to proceed ought to be to listen to the public health experts and make a decision, have a vote.
But experts are hoping it'll be back in the water in the near future.
90% of Australians have access to fluoridated water and have had for 50 years. About 75% of Queenslanders do. But unfortunately, they're the Queenslanders that live in the southeast corner.
Christina Pooljak, 7 News.